Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Scatterbrain. Anna and Tim are in the office. They're discussing the upcoming project. Tim, have you seen the latest files for the project we need to start? Oh, I think I left them at home. I've been so forgetful lately. I feel like this has been a trend with you recently. I know. Between the new baby at home and all these work projects, I've turned into such a scatterbrain. I can't help it. Well, just try to keep everything organized. We can't afford any mix-ups with this project. I know how important it is. Quiz time. What does scatterbrain mean? Someone who is organized, is disorganized, is really smart, has a brain disorder. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Someone who is disorganized. Teaching moment. A scatterbrain is a term used to describe a person who tends to be forgetful and disorganized, or who lacks concentration or focus. This comes from the verb to scatter, which means to disperse in a random or disorganized way. Examples. Ever since Laura had twins, she's been such a scatterbrain, forgetting appointments and losing her keys. Alex is so creative, but he can be a bit of a scatterbrain when it comes to managing his schedule. Tina left her umbrella on the bus again. She can be such a scatterbrain. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Latest. Most recent. Forgetful. Often forgetting things. Trend. The new direction in popularity. Mix-ups. Situations with mistakes. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.